Your partner presses in a downward direction with both hands. So because it's down, we're going to yield down and we're going to create, actually we'll just do one hand so I can describe. We're going to make a circle here. And this hand is magnetic drawing and this hand is electric under and issuing. So I'm using the top of the rotation to capture the balance and the under part of the rotation to issue the force. Once you've got one hand, then can do it with two hands. And depending on how much dead weight is there, how much physical space. So let's say you went a little bit dead weighted on me, and then it's sort of like, oh, the dead weight's coming into my body. I need to give a little bit more before I pump the issue out to open my partner up. If he's very centered, then I can do it very, very centered and just stay in this space. If there's a lot of force going across, then I can adapt it to rotate and work the technique into whichever direction. So we've got the spiral going this way. Now we spin that way and then reverse it the other direction. So if he's pulling more towards himself with his thumbs and rotating this way, then and you adapt these angles to find his center of his core. So here, the angles are this way. I yield to whatever the touch is. Now the touch is basically doing this in my body. So I'll move according to his direction. I want to pull on his touch of his direction. So if you touch me with one finger, wherever that is, now that's going that way, I'm going to yield in that direction. If he goes with his pinky under that way, then I've got to go with that direction and engage into his base. And if you can't feel your partner's feet, push back in so you can go, there's the feet, now pull on the feet with whatever technique you're going to use.